And I guess this is the first time we're having a conversation since the elections.
It appears.
Hello?
I said, it appears so.
Oh, that's quite interesting. Congratulations to you and the NDC.
This week I did it with you.
I wasn't part of your work. I was interrogating you. That was what I did.
It's all part of the work. So, Senna, a quick one. I think it is only appropriate that I single out Radio Gold for particular mention. You are with us in this struggle. From 2017, the subsequent, what shall I say, lock up of Radio Gold, subsequent reopening, and where we are today, you have been an integral part. I always say that for every election, three things run. Three things. And these three are 3 M's. Message, messenger, and machinery. You need a party. You need a message. You need a messenger. The message, you have provided us a platform to disseminate and spread our message. And that is what it is. I am exceedingly grateful to you, Eric, Wache, the animal rights lawyer, Nancy. Look, I can't thank you guys enough. Thank you.
Having said that, now that the elections are over, are you still considering the invitation to join the animal rights field?
I am a human rights called to the bar. I am not like the man in the studio. I think his is animal husbandry.
No, it's animal rights law, also properly called to the bar. Just not your bar.
Animal husbandry.
Well, it's always nice to have you on the line. And thank you.
It looks like he has been doing in Ponchinkiti.
Unfortunately, the man is not here to respond for himself. But ample opportunity will be provided. You know he will respond. So that one. But thank you. Thank you very much for those kind words. But it looks like that battle you talk about is not over, because two things we realize. First, you went to court to secure an injunction on the recollation exercise. Yesterday, the NPP held a press conference still insisting that recollation should be done. The EC is also saying it's annulling some results declaration made in your favor in Greater Accra. First, how do you respond to the EC's statement before we go to what the NPP said yesterday?
Okay, so you see, the Electoral Commission is a creature of statute and the Constitution. The Electoral Commission, its chairperson, Madame Jane Mensah, formulated CI 127 and the regulations made thereunder on the 1st and 2nd July 2020. Sana, if you recall, after the 2020 election, the Honorable Haruna Edudzi. Hello.
Yes, I can hear you clearly.
The Honorable Haruna Edudzi led a team of NDC MPs to the EC office. If you recall, They even said the NDC MP did not notify the police. You recall that?
Yes, vividly.
Subsequent to that, let the committee issued a statement in response to Edudzi. Can I read?
Oh, please go ahead.
Okay. Okay. I'll just read paragraph 13. Recollating is done at all levels when requested before declaration of result. However, once election results is declared, a dissentient party cannot request for recall or recount of the result. Senior, nothing convicts a man faster than his own words. That is what it is.
But in this case, they are suggesting, and this one is not a request. It's not by request from the New Patriotic Party. They are saying this declaration were made under duress. That's why they've decided, and their officers involved have reported back to them on that.
In fact, it was the same thing that we said in 2020 about Itima. And they said, oh, we're just making noise, so we should go to court.
So to you, the same rules must apply?
Without it.
Even if it is the Electoral Commission who is saying that?
How are they good? The danger is that if you permit this to do, any Electoral Commission officer can just come out with, so come to court and put this in the pleading. And you notice that in every election petition, the Electoral Commission is a party.
Yes.
And the election is to challenge the results.
Radio station you can call your own.
And it's not only the EC that's raising this. Now, the MPP is also raising the same issue. They are even suggesting that what they have, the records they have, show that some of these constituencies were actually won by them, and that there should be recollation so that they are declared winners.
No, but is that not what you do in court? That's what the judicial system will unravel.
In other words, they should take this evidence that they have to court.
And you see, the issue with legal processes are that when you allege, so for instance, you allege duress, the rule of procedure is that you must particularize it. You understand?
Explain that. When you say particularize, exactly what are you expected to do by the court?
You have to provide minute instances, every detail of a duress. And the proof is a very serious one. You understand? The proof is very serious. The proof is very, very serious. If you allege fraud, even in a civil matter, and you allege fraud, you have to particularize it. Whereas in normal civil matters, the proof is proved beyond reasonable doubt. In this particular instance, you have to prove it beyond reasonable doubt.
I see.
Yes.
Proof beyond reasonable doubt when it comes to the matter of duress.
Yes. In a civil matter, when you allege fraud, mistake, misrepresentation, duress, the standard, and in fact, in particular case of fraud, you must prove it beyond reasonable doubt. That's the principle. They know they can't prove it. Didn't you see journalists capturing? In fact, I have the 5 videos of all the collation that happened. The declaration, sorry. Tema Central, Okankwe Central, Ablekuma North, Obuasi. In fact, in the specific case of Obuasi, hello?
Yes, I can hear you clearly.
In the specific case of Obuasi, the declaration was done with the MPP candidate. And
he was there when the declaration was done?
Yes, the declaration form. He signed it for himself as the agent for himself.
The MPP candidate signed the declaration form himself?
Himself.
And you have that evidence on record?
In fact, I've attached it to the judicial review.
I see. And now, then let's go to what you have in court. Exactly what are you seeking? Because now you have served an injunction on the EC. But
no, that's in respect of in Sawam. We are saying that in Sawam, about 80-something things could not be. So we are asking that those places be rerun.
Okay.
That's separate.
Okay.
This judicial review relates to the midnight or night press conference by the EC on Friday.
Okay.
Which purported to have annulled the 5 constituencies where the results have already been declared.
Oh, okay. So you are seeking a judicial review of that?
Yes. That's an administrative decision. So we are challenging the AC's powers under Article 23.
Okay. Then you have the Nsawam Aduajiri matter.
1, 2,
separately. Okay. But
we have 1, 2 in Koforidua in respect of Fantiakwa North.
Okay. So you already have 2 cases in court, Fantiakwa North, then Nsawam Aduajiri.
There's even one, Trobo Amasama. Trobo, sorry.
Okay.
Yes. A few more under work.
Okay. But this do not relate to the 5 constituencies that the AC are saying they are.
No, for the 5. Yes, okay. That's the one I'm handling at the High Court. I filed that one yesterday.
Okay. Okay.
I will share it with you. You can go through the release.
Okay. But in the meantime, you are also saying the MPP, because they held the press conference, you are saying they should follow the same route, go to court if they have any issues.
That's what they told us in 2020.
You will not agree to any further recollation?
The president remains active. I didn't put up that.
Council, we're getting closer to, because we are now just a few weeks away from. Yes. So, what will this mean?
No. We have an application to average time.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
In all the cases?
We are working on it.
Okay. But there are 2 other places. Is it Ahafwano? Ahafwano Southwest?
We are working on it.
Okay. But were declarations made with regards to both? Ahafwano South, Ahafwano North, and Ahafwano Southwest?
The Ashanti legal team is handling that one.
Oh, okay. Council, I'll leave you to continue. In the meantime, the man you're talking about is here.
Leonard colleague.
Why no Leonard colleague? You remember the situation where this man goes to court and then raises up. So, my Leonard friend, then you just say, who is your Leonard friend? Next time, address yourself well. say, my friend who is Leonard.
Okay.
Draw the distinction. Animal husbandry is different from.
Say, and go on getting me no lawyer.
The coming from what the important thing to get back out.
It's if you are getting be a minimum lawyer. Amen.
Thank you. I wish you all the best. Of course, we'll be monitoring lawyers' work with regards to the constituencies involved. So let's be clear. The EC held a press conference